Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Malaysia. So let's get started. So as you can see here, Malaysia has this 1,000 number of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment, without any capital, is through freelancing. So the one of the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where you can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyers. Okay, so what to sell on Fiverr? So you have to sell uh, your video editing skills, doing the content writing, be a social media manager for a gig, then you can deliver the personal messages, then converting the YouTube videos into audios, converting the PDF into word into text, and many other things. So if you go to the Fiverr, we can register it easily and we can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.